Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is my co-host IK.
International King. Let's get into our hot topics for today. Starting off with Lisa Rinna makes first public comment on daughter Amelia Gray Hamlin's relationship with Scott Disick.
First of all, I feel like Lisa Rinna, I know she's making the comments because she's being a good mother and, you know, really trying to think about what her daughter's relationship should be, but we already get it. We already know that she doesn't like Scott. She doesn't approve of him. And, well, it looks like your daughter's following your footsteps. Let's get into our next hot topic.
And Dr. Ross, Lisa Rinna is scandalous. She has her new show out. She's a housewife, and she's still being scandalous, posting more photos on her Instagram every single day. Now, Dr. Ross, we can't post it right now because this will get us taken off the air, but we love it. That's sweet, Lisa. Let's get into our next hot topic. With Jeannie shares the sweet reason she threw her handwritten vows in the pool after her wedding to young Jeezy, or Jeezy now.
Well, Jeannie has a lot of interesting beliefs. You know, personally, we spoke on this the last Rose and Gold that we were in when it was just me and then IK was out doing some modeling. But Jeannie, we don't know how long this relationship is going to last. And if you're throwing all the wedding vows into a pool, we don't know if that was for good intent or bad intent, or maybe you're just trying to put some luck out there, throw out the bad omens. But whatever you're doing, hopefully it works, and hopefully it does not end in a possible divorce next month.
In my opinion, young Jeezy, you get brought up with this, but you actually bring her down. Let's move into our next hot topic. Truthfully. Exactly. Not trying to start any beef. Let's move into our next hot topic with Khloe Kardashian's team is trying to take down an unauthorized photo of her.
Khloe Kardashian, when do the Kardashians not have someone trying to take down a photo of them? It's probably because...
And Dr. Ross, one thing I gotta say about this, aren't you doing your new reality TV show?
Exactly.
They're probably gonna put this into the new Keeping Up with the Kardashians on Hulu.
Well, no, personally, for me, I like the Kardashians. We love the Kardashians, but I think they need to take a break. I think they need to go home because we've been seeing Kim everywhere. She looks stressed out. She looks freaked out. And Kourtney's just living her life. Kourtney's the only one out of the Kardashians that I don't see running. And Kylie Jenner. Those are the only two that are just relaxing and living their life,
and
which
Dr.
is what you
Ross,
guys should be
really,
doing.
The only one not running is Kylie. Kourtney is still running with the Travis Barker right now.
Well, she looks happy with the Travis Barker. Even though they're not a compatible match, they look happy together.
That's true. And Kim, no matter how crazy he was, we know that you want Kanye.
Exactly.
This was our final hot topic, but let's show you a bit around Solvang.
This is a sick Negro.
And if you want to just go somewhere to relax, we love this place. You know, the atmosphere is amazing. The people are very vibrant. The shops, the architecture they have here is just really stunning. And we would love to just come back here and stay a few nights. You guys should really check it out too. If you're ever in Solvang, come down here and see this little cute Danish inn.
We're currently going to go shopping, but we are out.